One of the other things that many people wonder about when they deploy process control automation like this for managing their sumps is, are you going to be able to tell me at the end of the day how much each machine consumes? What does my shop consume? What are my trends, etc.? So all of that is built into the HMI. So if you ever wanted to see what your kind of total consumptions are, you can go to usage totals, and you're going to get a look at how much water, in this example, each day for the past month. But wanted to zoom out a little more, how much water in this machine each week for the past 6 months. And then you could even zoom out further to the yearly view if you wanted to. You can get the same information for coolant. So how much consumption per week over the past 6 months, or if you wanted more information on a kind of a daily usage. So you have the ability to kind of zoom in and out and see that. And then you can also see that for the shop total. So if you went back out here, looked at the total, you're going to see, again, how much coolant is the facility using on a weekly basis, daily basis, monthly basis, etc. And you're also going to see that for your water usage. So one last thing that's in here is some people wonder how much capacity the system has. And so we give you ability to kind of take a look at pump runtime. So available minutes in the day versus how many minutes it was actually on accumulated in your facility throughout that same time period. So the FullShop system has a nice integrated ability for usage and information related to the history of consumption.